Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I will show you how to generate a globally unique identifier or GUID with your C# application. So the first question comes into mind is what is a GUID or a globally unique identifier. So if you search on Wikipedia, according to Wikipedia definition, a unique ID or a globally unique identifier or GUID is a unique reference number which is used as an identifier in computer science. So whatever GUID you will generate, it will be usually of 128-bit values and it's shown in 32 hexadecimal digits. And whatever GUID you generate, it's believed to be unique. So it's unique for every user, or as you generate GUID from your computer, it is believed that this GUID will be unique and only possessed or generated by that computer only. So GUID is can be used in many applications where the uniqueness of a particular object is required. For example, we have been working on the MySQL database with C# application, and I have been showing you this database in MySQL and how to use this database with the C# application. So one use of GUID could be you can assign a GUID to a particular employee so that that unique ID or unique identifier can only be possessed by only one employee, and that GUID cannot be possessed by other employee. So you could be able to distinguish two employees even if they have the same name or surname or everything the same, but that unique ID will be different. So that can be one use for GUID, and you can think of the use different uses of GUID in your application. So let's make a code which generates GUID. So first of all, I will take a button and I will change its text as create GUID. So every time I click this button, it must generate a new GUID, every time different GUID for me. So how can I do this? I will just double click this button and I reach to the button click event of this button, and here I will write the code. So write string. I will name my string as new GUID is equal to system dot GUID dot new GUID dot, or first of all bracket and then to string. Okay, because your GUID is a hexadecimal number, or it is represented in hexadecimal, that's why I am converting my GUID into string by this code. So dot to string is converting my hexadecimal into the string which I want to show, and now I want to show this GUID every time when I click this button. So I will show it with the help of message box dot show bracket and bracket closed, and just double click this or copy this new GUID string variable and paste it inside your message box. Okay, and now when you run your program, it runs, and I will give username and ID. It's correct. And when I press this button, it should generate a GUID or globally unique identifier for me. So let's see. Yes, it has generated a globally unique identifier, and it every time I press this create GUID button, it will generate a different GUID for me. So every time a different GUID. Okay, but in many of the useful application, you don't want to show these dashes in between your GUID. You just want to show it as a continuous code without these dash in between. So how to remove these dashes, I will show you now. So just in the code which you have written, go after toString, and here we will write dot replace bracket and bracket closed, and in here we will pass two arguments, 1 and 2, sorry, 1 and 2, and in here first argument you will pass which you want to replace. So you want to replace your dash, and second argument you will write what character you want to replace the dash with. So I want to replace my dash with nothing. That's why I'm leaving these double quotes empty. So it will just remove my dash from my GUID, and let's see how now my GUID looks like. So when I click this create GUID, it is a continuous hexadecimal digit number with no dash in between, but still it looks a little weird because the hexadecimal number or hexadecimal codes are generally represented in capital letters. So this C or D or F I want to represent as a capital letter or uppercase letter. So now I will show you how to change this lowercase letter to uppercase letter. So I will just close this, and then I will once again go to my code, and I will write here after my replace code, write dot to upper. Okay, and bracket and bracket close, I think. Okay, so write this, and now when you run your program, and when you click this button, it gives me the GUID, which is a hexadecimal code in capital letters wherever any letters are present. So this GUID is more useful and what I can use in my application. So this is a very useful code for GUID. Okay, so you can use a raw GUID also, you can use it with dashes, you can use it with small letter also, but I have shown you how to convert this GUID in different form according to your use. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.